Welcome back to Ezra's Experimental Kitchen, and today we'll be making oatmeal breakfast cookies in a recipe by Arman Liew of the Big Man's World. We'll start by peeling 3 large extra ripe bananas, adding them to a mixing bowl and mashing them via the paddle attachment of a stand mixer. You don't have to use an electric mixer for this recipe, but it helps make things easier. Next, we'll measure and add 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Then we'll add half a cup or 135 grams of creamy peanut butter, followed by a heaping 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could also add 1/4 cup of crushed walnuts at this stage. I forgot to add them, but they're a welcome addition to the recipe. Now, mix to combine till you get the consistency of a very wet cookie dough. It ought to look something like this. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, using 2 large spoons, scoop the dough and form and shape the dough into balls on the parchment paper. The recipe should make 8 to 10 cookies. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes or until slightly golden on the edges and on the tips of the cookies. Remove from oven and allow to cool for 10 minutes or until the cookies easily release from parchment paper when rotated. These cookies are great for a quick breakfast or meal replacement, should be kept refrigerated for up to 5 days, and are able to be kept in the freezer for up to 2 months. I hope you give these a try and enjoy them as much as I did.